This content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. It's very important that you do your own analysis before making any investment decisions. Now, John, if anyone's listening, you're thinking, okay, stocks versus real estate investing. So far, real estate investing sounds great, right? Like you have better returns. You have cash flow. Why is it that most people are not doing it yet? Because you, for example, I know there's different levels to this and the sophistication of the investor, but you hear a lot of people talk about stocks, and we talk about this all the time because of the Cougar Fund. People think that just because they can buy a stock, they can compete. And the example I always give, it's kind of like, it's like jumping in the ring with a boxer or going one-on-one against LeBron James. You don't see it, but on the other side of that trade that you are doing, there's like professionals doing it. You're gonna get punched in the mouth if you don't know what you're doing. But still, you listen to a lot of people like, I bought this, I bought that. It's kind of like a general thing to invest in stocks, and people do it. Why is it that if real estate is such a great deal, why don't we hear more people talking about real estate deals and investing like stocks?
Okay. There's common misconception about real estate, which I'm going to get into. I want to talk more about stocks first, because you and I both traded stocks for other people, and that was quite the experience. One of the best experiences I've had. Just full disclosure, we still own stocks. We have a diversified portfolio of real estate and stocks. Now, stocks is the most common investment asset class, and 40% of Americans own stocks. It's easy. And you can invest a small amount. Now, I'm going to share my experience why I didn't think I could invest in real estate, especially in apartments. So I walk my dog every day past an apartment, and a couple of years ago I said this would be really cool to be a part investor in apartments. And then I found out about the power of apartment syndication. And I was talking to a family friend who serendipitously we met in Mount Zion in one of our trips. And we started talking about it, and I asked them, so are you saying, after they explained the concept, are you saying that I don't need $500,000 or $1 million to invest in, to be a part owner of an apartment? I said, yes. Okay. And are you also saying I can use my 401k to invest in alternative assets? I said, yes. And my last question was, are you also saying that I can stay in one of the apartment units for free? I was like, no, that's not part of the deal. You cannot do that. But so people think that the barrier for entry is too high, like unachievable. It is higher, but it's not unachievable at all. So, and that's the mental barrier that that prevented us back then from investing in real estate. We think it was hard, we think it was expensive, and we thought it was high risk, honestly. But yeah, and that's one of the few reasons why people don't invest in real estate. And the last piece is they just don't know that they can. It's breaking that mental barrier of, hey, you can actually do this. You can be part of a 100+ unit or 600+ unit apartment, and you can be proud and show this to your kids or your parents and drive them by there. Hey, I'm a part owner of this apartment. But you can't stay in it, but I'm a part owner. So, I think there's a big mental barrier and lack of awareness of alternative assets in the market, and that's why not a lot of people are investing in stocks.